Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jaelani. I'm from Economy Management. I would like to explain how to make a cup of coffee. A glass, one sachet of instant coffee, boiling water, spoon. Step: the freeze open the plastic of coffee. To the shaken for it to a cup. After that, for the water boiling. Stir it. Coffee ready to serve. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.